What's up, everybody? This is Reverend Guns, and today we are going to be taking apart and cleaning a Bersa Thunder 380. So anytime we have a firearm, first thing we do is a safety check. If you press this button right here, this is the mag release. Press that, and the magazine pops out. We don't want any cleaners or solvents on this, so we want to set this far away from our cleaning station. Second thing we're going to do is we're going to lock the slide back. So you're going to push back on the slide and push this little slide lock up. It'll hold the slide in place. And now you can look down inside the barrel there and see nothing is inside. Now that we know it's safe, we can uncock it. And to take it apart, you want to flip it over. And right here is a little lever that slides downward. See that? So you're going to hold that, and I do it like holding trigger discipline style, and you will slide the slide back all the way, and it's going to want to pop upward. This allows you to slide the rest of the slide off. Okay, the barrel is affixed, so that'll stay on. You have your barrel spring, your recoil spring, and the slide. Give that a little spray down. And while that's soaking, I will explain what I got going on here. So I've got a soft bristle brush. Got a little detail end on the end of it. I've got a harder bristle brush for the stubborn carbon that don't want to come off. I do not use the brass or the metal brushes because I don't want to damage or scratch anything that's on here. So the cleaner should be strong enough to dilute any of the carbon that's on there. I've got a screwdriver, which we don't need this time. I've got a barrel brush. This is 9mm. I've got a slotted cleaning rod. We'll use that to finish off the barrel. I've got some gun oil. I've got a gun oil rag. I've got some patches, some Q-tips, and a couple of rags to wipe things off as we go. So I'm going to start with the frame because it's got the barrel on it, and the barrel is what I want to pay attention to here. I always go in from the back, the way it loads into a cartridge into the chamber here. I don't like going in through this end because I don't want to clank or ding it, cause any chips or dents or anything that could cause damage. So I like to go in from the back. And you know what? I'm going to need a little bit longer rod. Stick it in the back and just start scrubbing real good. You'll feel it get a little smoother as you're doing it. And make sure you're popping out all the way through. Alright, now we'll take our brush here and start brushing down the rest of it. Break up any carbon we got. Get on the slide rail real good. Get around the buttons. Get the feeding ramp real good. And get anywhere else you see that's dirty. It's a good time to get all of it clean. I will take the brush off, put the slotted cleaning rod on. Usually do 2 patches at a time. That way it fills up the barrel and gives it a nice tight rub inside the barrel. And again, I'll go in from the back, pushing forward, and start going in and out with it. We're trying to get anything left in there. As you can see, that's quite a bit of black, so that's what we're trying to get out. When we get it clean, it'll never be completely white. It'll be kind of a lightish gray, you know, kind of like a wet white cloth would look like. So we're just trying to make sure all that black is out of there. Getting there, still some on there, but we'll do it again just to make sure we're getting everything out of there. Like I said, I do 2 because it's a little bit of a tighter fit in there. Right, that looks real good. See, no more black. It's just kind of a grayish color. We're going to call the barrel clean. We're going to grab a rag here and wipe everything off that we can. Alright, get the barrel recoil spring here. That'll get a little bit of gunk and stuff on it. We want to make sure nothing is left on this. Grab that. Alright, recoil springs clean. And last, we have the barrel, or the slide. I want to make sure you're getting those slide rails real good. We don't want anything in there. Make sure it'll function freely and smoothly. Get that striker plate real well. I'm using the detail end of the brush to kind of get in these small little spots. Alright, we can also get around the outside. Get the finger grooves here. Those get dirty. Sides real well. Get everything broken up and cleaned. Get around the sights. And we'll get the end of the barrel here. Right. Grab a little wipe off rag. Wipe everything down. Make sure you get everywhere you possibly can. Down in the grooves. Where the hammer strikes. Into the barrel. Right. Time for some lube. Put your gun oil on. Get a little dab. And start with the frame here. I'm going to do around the barrel because that is where that spring is going to help cycle it. Anywhere you see little blemishes, little wear marks, you want to make sure there's oil right there. I like to get the top and inside the slide rail. And that looks like about it for the frame. Don't need to put any on the spring. Here again, we're looking for wear marks. I like to get the bottom of the slide rail and inside the slide rail. And anywhere else you see little wear marks, rub marks, anything that's been scraping against metal needs to have some oil on it. So now that we've got it oiled, we'll put it back together. Very simple. Take your recoil spring, and it doesn't matter which end goes on which. I'm sorry, one size is smaller than the other on this one. So one end goes over the barrel. The smaller end is going to go where the barrel goes. So I like to hold it like this. And again, that little lever I like to hold down with my finger. Put the spring inside the barrel slot and slide it all the way back till the chamber is lined up with the hole here, and then cock it. When you cock it all the way back, it'll allow you to seat. See that? So all the way back, down, and in, and you can let go of this button now. And now we are functional. Let's give this a final wipe down. Awesome. Looks like it's brand new. So we just took apart and cleaned, lubed, and put back together a Bersa Thunder 380. Thanks for watching. I also offer the online course to get your Texas license to carry a handgun. It's the 4-hour class broken down into segments and saves you progress so you can do it at your own pace. After completing the course, you will be able to print your certificate. Then it'll help you locate an instructor close to you, no matter where you are in Texas, so you can complete the shooting portion of the course. This is all certified by the Texas Department of Public Safety. Check it out at REVERENDGUNS.com. If you have any questions or comments, please add them below. Be sure to like and subscribe for more firearms education.